white one. Oh, what are you doing? The white was there. Well, this is our new one. Our first new one. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? There.
I really want to pick up the white one again.
The white one.
We finally got a white one. In a movie, we saw a purple one that was literally white. Oh, why are you?
Hello. Don't fall from there.
Oye, 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 oye.
Did he climb up the back of the couch?
Oi. No, he didn't.
He climbed up that way.
Come on. Oh, they love this. They love like coming in here.
I love you.
This is the girl.
Aww, who's my wee
I mean boy.
girl.
They're both.
I mean boy.
They're. We have one girl and like 3 boys.
They love chasing each other.
Oh my goodness.
I really want to pick up the white one. What the heck are you
What are you doing? Stop it!
Why?
Hello. You love
You
this
are
one.
hilarious. The white boy is more calm.
Yeah, the white boy.
Toothless is more calm.
Hey, you. Hey,
No, that's.
hey. Brenda, come here. Bad boy.
No.
So he does bite.
Oh, careful.
What is it?
That guy's chasing. The new boy is that. The black one is trying to chase it to bite it. Get off!
You hear that sound? That means they're happy.